At least 20 people, including a family of 12 members, have been killed in Mogadishu's Jil district Sunday afternoon when a car packed with explosives near a restaurant blew up. The explosion also injured over 60 people, including government soldiers. The body of a mother of 12 had been recovered, while the rest of the members could not be identified after their house, which was next to the restaurant, was directly hit by the explosion. The vehicle fitted with improvised explosive device was parked near the restaurant located at Kawagudai area. Those killed in the restaurant attack, among them were government soldiers and other people who were having lunch. The explosion destroyed shops around the place, leaving its wake death and destruction in the small market. With the Jil District Commissioner Ahmed Abdullah Afrah told the media at the scene, the explosion went off at around 1 p.m. and confirmed the casualty. The explosion is the first big attack in the capital since the election of the new president Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo, although several motor blasts claimed by Al-Shabaab marked the official handover of the power last week. The attack underlines the challenges facing the new president, who has inherited an administration with limited control over Somali territory due to the presence of Al-Shabaab and heavily propped up by the international community.